Top 5 Best Dog Car Barriers. Best products on Amazon. Why leave your furry friend at home when you can install one of these nifty dog barriers in your car? Our selections offer compatibility with most vehicles, and will keep Fido safe and comfortable on vacations or trips to the vet. They also prevent your pet from climbing into the front seats and interfering with your driving while you're trying to concentrate on the road ahead. DYKESON Pet Barrier Dog Car Net Barrier. Feed Garden Adjustable Dog Car Barrier. LOOBANI Dog Car Barrier. Bulldogology SUV Cargo Liner for Dogs.
Dogs are everybody's best friend, but sometimes they can attract mud and dirt. That's why Bulldogology makes heavy-duty interior covers for the entire front seat, back seat, and cargo space. Bulldogology seat covers fit most passenger vehicles, and cargo liners fit most vans, trucks, and SUVs. It's easy to install with durable buckles, fully adjustable straps, and high-friction anchors. And backseat covers can form to a bench or be attached to the front headrest in an all-in-one hammock. Keep covers in place with moisture protection non-slip silicone backing. Bulldogology interior covers do not contain azo dyes, and an inner layer of color fast protection prevents color bleeding due to any stains. Double stitched for long-lasting durability that's washing machine safe. And Bulldogology seat covers premium 600D Oxford fabric in black and gray both complement a vehicle's interior and protect it. Protect car interiors from groceries, dirty and heavy equipment, beach sand, or anything that might scratch, stain, scuff, or otherwise damage. Defend your seats from messy cargo and muddy paws with Bulldogology heavy-duty car interior covers.
Popple Dog Car Barrier.
The Popple Backseat Pet Barrier prevents your energetic pets from distracting the driver while keeping them safe in the cargo area of the vehicle. The simple, straightforward design of this barrier makes the setup a breeze. No tools or outside assistance required. Take advantage of the universal style of the barrier and fit it into your vehicle in minutes. This steel wire unit is fully adjustable and accommodates cars, SUVs, and vans with ease. Arrange the 3 panels of the barrier however you need to perfectly fit in your vehicle. Create a safe haven for car passengers and pets alike with the Popple Backseat Pet Barrier.